Winter is officially upon us, and now it's time for everybody's favorite, soup. Warm, hot, brothy, comfort dishes full of meat, flavor, and just pure magic. Instead of going out to your local Potbelly or around the clock and letting them upcharge you for some bull, I'm gonna show you how to make something even better in the comfort of your own home. If you'd like more beautiful soup action, please do like and subscribe below, and you'll find an assortment of videos, recipes, ready to keep you and the family warm this cold season.